There he is.
There I am.
There he is.
Ready to rock. Today's the day. A lot of stuff went together to make this happen. And here we are. Today's the day. She's coming down. Let's rock. I'll just pull out of the way a little bit. I'll walk down here, start taking that roof down, knocking her in, and then you'll start picking away. I'll get out of your way. All right, just give me a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the man right here, Dan Savinsky. He's gonna be operating his grinder. We're gonna make sawdust out of this building in another hour and save on trucking, save on disposal. It's an unreal product, and he's on the forefront of this demolition process. And no better right here, Dan Savinsky. You remember that name because you're gonna see him moving around. Let's get it. Gets his grinder going. That was about, I don't know, 5 hours. And building's down. We're hauling the debris off right now. Dan just parked his excavator over there, all nicey nice for the morning. He's gonna pull that out. All in all, this was a show. And it came out really nice. I love that grinder. I love what it does. I love the production it does. And I love the savings it presents. So just awesome, awesome day. Got a little bit of fluff and buff. Put the Benny Kiss to it. And then that's it. Wrap it up. That's 200.